How to use image playground feature on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use the image playground feature on your iPhone. Now this feature was recently introduced in the iOS 18.2. Now this feature allows users to create original images by combining concepts, text descriptions, and photos from their libraries. So you can use these features to create some of our most creative and really fun images. Now all you need to do to use it is make sure that your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.2 and locate this app right here. It's called Image Playground and open it up. After you open it up, you will see the plus icon on the bottom. Tap on plus, and right here, all you now need to do is describe an image. So I'll just describe an image and tap on done. And what it will do is it will take some time, but it will create the image for you. Now it will not just create a single image, it will create different versions of the image. So you can use the version that you like the most, and you can even just choose the themes right here. So I'll just choose this disco theme and it will just do its magic. And there you go. So you can use this features right here. You can add your friends' pictures, your own pictures, and tap on done. And you can save this image later on your iPhone. And yeah, that is how you use the image playground feature on iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.